Hello, dear friends, welcome back. And today's session is a continuity of our previous session in which we talked about how we can identify if somebody is facing the issues related to low self esteem. And in this session, we will talk about how we can overcome those issues. So, my dear friend, as we discussed previously, if somebody is having the issue of low self esteem, this low self esteem almost impact all areas of his life or her life negatively. For example, they have disturbed social or personal relationships, and also they have disturbance in their mood, emotions, and their overall personality as well. So in this session we will talk about how we can overcome those issues by following few simple steps. And if you wanted to more about how you can identify about the low self-esteem, you can check out my previous video. But in this video, we are going to talk about how we can overcome and how we can make our life more better by following few simple steps. The first and the most important thing what we have to do if we wanted to overcome the issues related to low self-esteem, we have to change our thinking pattern. For that, you have to identify that negative opinion and challenge that negative opinion. You have to identify the negative opinion which you have specifically about yourself, and then you have to challenge that opinion. For example, if somebody is feeling that person is no is like, I'm not a beautiful, I'm not a very competent enough, I am not good enough, and I can't do anything. So if you are getting these kind of opinion about yourself, or if you are thinking you cannot be succeed, you are always a failure, just try to track these thoughts. Try to track these thoughts and then evaluate to think why these thoughts are coming in your mind. What is the reason behind these thoughts? If you are failure and if you failed in somewhere and something, try to identify what was that and what was the reasons behind it. And you are always failing in that thing, and only failure is the part of your life. Just identify the thought and then evaluate that thought and give reflection, and tell your brain, say to your brain, this thought is not true, not real, because whoever, for example, all of our life is not like this. We have just failure and we are not good enough. Sure, we are feeling like that, our brain is exaggerating, and that thought is negative thought is getting bigger and bigger in our mind. So first thing, you have to identify, track it, track that thought, and then analyze that thought objectively. Once you will do that, second thing what you can do, you can try to remember or recall the positive things about yourself. Write down if you have some good habits or good things in your life happen, just try to write down. And just remember, if somewhere and some place you perform well and you get appreciation for that, or maybe you get positive comment from some outsider or from your friends or family in anything, just recall that those events and think positive about yourself and write the good things in yourself. It will help you to boost your confidence, and it will help you to build or enhance your self-esteem. So next thing what you can do, surround yourself with the positive people, avoid negative and toxic people, because we all have people in our surroundings. Sometimes people are supportive, sometimes they are encouraging, and most of the time they are not. So they criticize you, yeah, they say bad things about you, they try to degrade you. Just avoid those kind of people. Everybody have somebody in their life who thinks good in them, who sees good in them. So always stay with those people who are encouraging, who are positive about you, who have positive thinking, and try to avoid and cut those people who are negative or who are dragging you down or dragging your motivation level down. Because when you are surrounding yourself positive people, it will help you to boost your inner self and self-esteem. Because those people, of course I'm not saying you have to surround yourself with those people who are always flattering you, but actual real friend. If you are doing something good, they are appreciating you for that, and if you are not doing something good, they are helping you, they are explaining to you or sharing their view or opinion in positive way, and they are giving you hint how you can improve, but not like only saying negative about them, about yourself, and dragging you down. So just cut those negative and toxic people from your life and surround yourself with positive people. And one thing more, Don't too hard on yourself, my dear friend. It's not possible you can be happy all the day, all the life, every day, because human mind is dynamic. Feelings and emotion are dynamic. It can't be stay or stand still on one place. So it's your mind condition is changing situation to situation, moment by moment. So it's not compulsory you have to be happy all the day. It is not compulsory you have to be perfect in everything, and nobody can be perfect in everything. If you are perfect in one part of the life, maybe you are not in other part of the life. So you have to admit this thing, you have to accept this thing. Nobody can be perfect anything, and it is completely okay, it is completely fine. It is not necessary you have to be good in everything. So if you are, for example, not good in one thing, then you are good in other thing. So just give yourself break. If you fail in something and you are not able to complete some task, it's not compulsory you have to complete. And it is also completely fine if you are sometime not happy in the daytime, if you have mood swings. This is very normal things. So just don't be hard on yourself, and give yourself break. If you are not feeling sometime good, just think it, take it as you're not feeling good. So you will be okay after some time. So give yourself break and be kind to yourself. So next thing what you can do, for example, those people who are facing the issue of low self-esteem, normally what happen, they have this ability, they can't say no to anybody. For example, if at their workplace or in their personal life, in their home, if somebody is requesting something or demanding something, they are not able to say no to that person. They try to do at any cost. This is a good thing, but it is not a good thing for yourself. If it is anything more than normal, is not good. So what will happen when you are already so much stressed, and then you are trying to fulfill or complete the everybody request and demand, then automatically you will be more stressed, and you will feel burden, and that will finally you will feel more burden and depressed, and it will drag you down and drop your motivation, and then you are not feeling good about yourself, and finally you will think you are not competent enough to do all the things, because nobody can do so many things together. So just be assertive and say no, learn say no to other people, because it's not compulsory you are have to fulfill everybody desire. If it's easy for you, if you can do it easily without giving yourself stress, without putting so much pressure on that, then you can do it. But if you are not able to do in that way, just ignore it and say no to that person. So that is completely fine. So what next thing you can do after that? Next thing, you can take on challenge. For example, if you are always feeling you are not able to do anything, then if something is very hard for you or normally hard for you, start from normal one. If something you feel very hard for you to do that, for example, to wake up in the morning is very hard for you, it's not easy for you to wake up, just take a simple step. Try to overcome on this challenge. Try to wake up early. If not possible for you like 6 o'clock, just wake up 8 o'clock or maybe 7 o'clock, and slow push yourself to achieve that task. So if start with the simple level of difficulty, and there will be little bit difficult, and then it is increase slow difficulty level. So if any point you are feeling sorry if any point you are feeling you can't do that, ask for help. Asking for our help is not a bad thing. If you are in the complicated situation, you can take help from your friends or your family members or your colleague, that is completely fine. But try to take challenge and start doing the things from simple one to harder one. Move towards simple to harder. To take first simple task, try to do that, and once you complete that, then go for the harder one, because this will increase your inner confidence. It will build your self-esteem, because you will feel you are competent enough to do or handle every kind of situation. So take simple task and simple challenges, and then it increase it. It will help you also to boost your self-esteem. And the last but not the least, you have to improve your mental and physical health. How you can improve that? Because when you are physically fit, mentally fit, you are automatically feeling good about yourself. Your mind or body is positive, and you are in positive energy. You are feeling good and nice about yourself. So how you can do that? For that, you can, for mind peace, you can do exercise or walk is also good for peace of mind or for healthy mind, or maybe you can go for meditation or yoga, whatever is suitable for you. And also focus stay on healthy diet. you can take healthy diet which is good for your body, because when you have some kind of deficiencies like vitamin D, E, or any other, it also impact your mood and impact your not only mood, when your mood is upset, and also impact on your posture, body posture as well. So try to take healthy diet, it will help you to improve your self esteem. Plus also take good sleep. Always take 8 to 9 hours of sleep, or it depends, because sometimes people have only 6 hours sleeps, and after 6 hours they are feeling okay and completely fine. But at least try to take proper sleep. It will also help you to improve your mood and improve your self esteem, because when you are not sleeping properly, automatically your mood is, you are depressed and you are frustrated, and then it outcome is not good and you are depressed.